our team. I met Momshi last year, no? Sa Walter Central Luzon. And mas mahaba pa ako mag-talk sa kanya. But we've met, this is our third or fourth time. But today, I'd like to share 3 things with you. Secret lang natin to. First, secret, the background music a while ago, I created that 5 minutes using AI. 5 minutes. Do you want to learn how to create your own music for your brand? Yes? 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 Okay. Secret number 2. I came here without a presentation. Because, ladies and gents, you guys will be helping me how to create my presentation today. Okay lang ba yun? Is that okay with you? Because the things that we'll be talking about in the next 45 minutes is all about you. You, your business, how you can create more income as a revenue oriented of your business, how you can be a content creator so that you'll have a 24/7 sales machine, and the last one is how you'll be able to save more time by doing more. Ironic, no? And that is through the help of AI. The last secret that I want to share with you, early last year, we lost 38 million pesos in our business because of AI. Yes, 38 million pesos. And maybe you're wondering, why am I here doing this talk with you? It's because instead of closing down my business, I decided, but hindi ko aralin si AI. Maybe there's something that a lot of businesses in the Western countries are doing, and maybe as a reluctant, hesitant, hard-headed Filipina, hindi ako nag-adapt because I'm so afraid. Because of AI, we lost 80 employees. It was all replaced by automation and AI tools. So, I will need 3 volunteers. Okay, the 3 volunteers will be getting special merch from our Blue Digital Workforce. Ready na rin mag-movies nila. 3 volunteers, I want you guys to tell me what do you want to know about AI. There are microphones sa left and right side of our area. Anything that you want to know about AI. Any questions? Anything. Ayan, si Ma'am and Pink. Kabrandin ko siya, pink and yellow. Pahingi ko ako ng mic. Ayun. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. What's your name? And your vital statistics.
Hello, I'm Kit Kat Diaz. I'm from Young Living Philippines.
Hello ma'am.
Hello, I just wanted to ask how to create music with my own brand.
Create music. Okay, sige. Noted po yan. Alright, panood na lang natin. Thank you, Ms. Kit Kat. Ms. Rona, can you give your merch to Ms. Kit Kat? 2 more. Anything that you want to learn using AI or automation. Yes, sir. Lapit na lang po sa mic.
Hello, good morning. I'm DJ Bart. What I want to know about AI, how can AI prevent... hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Tagalog na lang.
Sige po.
Hirapan na. May way ba si AI ma-prevent yung pag-spoof or scamming ng face natin sa market?
Wow, very interesting. Sige. Okay. Thank you, sir. Siguro let's have 2 more. 2 more? Yes, sir.
Hello, good morning. Meron po.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Ask ko lang po kung meron bang minimum system requirement for processing AI?
Ay, ganda nun. Oo nga, buti na lang hindi IT namin. Thank you, sir. We'll answer that one. And the last question, last participant. Last question po. Maybe you want to ask, will AI replace me? Will AI affect my events business? Anyone? Yes, ma'am. Sige po. Ayan, may na lang sa ma'am.
Hi, so my name is Joy. So I'm into food business. So mamaya kain like what you said, how AI will protect my business, especially sa portfolio namin, na pwede mo na yung AI generate na kakanin mo way, tapos it will show different kakanin na parang actual event. So, sa case ko or for other food business owner, paano namin mapaprotect yung sarili namin na hindi kami AI?
Okay.
Totoong event siya.
Oo nga naman, no? Kasi ngayon, because meron na parang AI tool ngayon wala pa siya mawawala na ng work ng mga content creators. Like, if they want to feature a certain product, you just need to do a proper prompting and then lalabas na yung mga 40 photos ng different angles. Sige, noted po yan. At the end of our session, we will try our very best to answer. Okay, sige. Any one of you here who's using ChatGPT? ChatGPT? Okay. Okay. Sino hindi gumagamit? Wala? Siguro, hindi ko gumagamit. Alright. Okay. Maybe the reason why you're not using it, number one, just like me, hindi kayo techie. I'm not a techie person at all. I don't even charge my phone. I don't even update my iOS, or I don't even do software updates at all. So, bakit na kayo, ano ginagawa ng Faith dito? Nagtutulong siya ng AI. It's because, ladies and gents, I want to share with you my experience that AI can actually change your life. Professional, your business, and your personal life. So, the most common AI that we use in today's time is actually ChatGPT. But, most of us, we don't know how to use it. We use it like a Google. Tama? So, isang tanong, isang sagot. Now, Rob, can you please do the Chat 5.2 thinking mode? So, this version, yan. Okay, this version, ChatGPT 5.2, 99% kasi yung level po siya ng tao may PhD. So, ang difference ni AI, aside sa mas matalino siya compared to most of us, is mas mabilis siya mag-isip. So, today, I will be teaching 3 things. Number 1, when I was, siguro 50 years ago, I had my events business also. I was doing event styling and event coordination for kiddie parties and corporate events. One of the things that I noticed, pag may client ka, meron ka ng templated na proposal, right? And when you quote the client, minsan yun yung nagpaparagal. Number 2, delegation. Delegation takes so much of our time. Now, AI can actually help. And the third one is, if you're into events business, lagi mo gagamitin ang photos ng mga partner, photo and video suppliers, di ba? Because you want to showcase your work. This time, iba na ang algorithm ni Meta. Because lahat ng tao, or most, they would want to watch a short, snackable content. When I say snackable content, less than 15-minute video. And let's say you are a business owner or you're an entrepreneur. I don't wanna show my face. Pero makikita mo, whether TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, most of the thought leaders today, or the ones who are really very profitable sa mga businesses nila, they're using content creation. Content creation for me is a 24/7 sales machine. Part of my learning last year, I enrolled in the Content Mastery Bootcamp and joined House Creatives owned by Real Talk Darbs. Real Talk Darbs is a social media influencer with 5 million followers. And I'm also one of the elite content creators under House Creatives. So what I do aside from being an entrepreneur, I teach business owners like you, content creators, how to create content that converts into what? Actual sales, correct, but not actual views. Maraming trending. But in reality, I'm not asking you to dance. May personality po ba kung magpasasayaw ako sa TikTok? Parang wala naman. I will not ask you to dance. But I will be teaching you how to be a thought leader in your chosen industry and in your chosen field. Because that will set you apart among the competitors. Meaning, makakabuild tayo ng trust and makakabuild tayo ng following. And of course, potential clients. Are you interested in how to Okay, alright, let's start. So, one of the things that I shared today, wala po ako prepared na slides para sa inyo.
Kailangan adapt ka talaga.
So,
Tapos meron pang summary.
I will introduce 2 tools today. Actually, 5 all in all. I will introduce ChatGPT, Claude AI, Notebook LM, CapCut, and Gamma Data. Alright? If you haven't heard of these few tools, please stay with me. I promise you, this is gonna be the best and worth it 45 minutes of your life as a business owner. Okay, let's start. So, the basic knowledge or skill that we all have to learn when using AI, regardless of you're using ChatGPT, Notebook LM, or other tools, is you need to know how to do prompt engineering. So last year, when I learned about using 38 million in our business, inaral ko ano ba yung basic kong kailangan alamin. Prompt engineering is number 1. So I enrolled to Asian Institute of Management and University of Sydney to take a short course just to know how to use these tools. And one word lang ang nag-resume. Prompt engineering is all about priming. When I say priming for our ladies, if you're using your makeup, before you put on your foundation or your concealer, ano muna gagamitin natin? Primer, correct. Why do we use primer? Para pantay, para yung mga pores natin ma-fill, di ba? And maging smooth. And mas lumilit yung makeup natin. For our gentlemen, bakit pag nagpipintura tayo, bakit kailangan masilyahin at i-primer muna? Para pantay and maganda yung kapit din ng color. Same is true with our prompt engineering and ChatGPT. So today, I will talk to our AI. Sino dito yung kaya nila puro type-type lang? Do you use ChatGPT ng video? Not yet. Sino pa? Hindi. How about audio? Wala pa din? Okay. Meron. Okay. But not everyone. Okay. Sige. Dahil naman po ako, ang gagawin ko is, I will ask our ChatGPT today to help me create a deck or my presentation for you today. Okay? Sige. So, the first one is, hi ChatGPT. Okay, ready? Ayan, alam mo na natin. Hi ChatGPT, my name is Faith. I'm currently in WOW event and I have business owners in the events and creative industry in the Philippines as my participants. I would like to share with them my knowledge regarding AI and events. I'd like to explain to my audience the impact of AI in the events industry in the Philippines. That's number 1. Number 2, can you explain to my participants as a 5-year-old kid, what is the difference of AI, what is LLM, what are the chatbots and AI models? Can you also help me explain the uses, practical uses of the 5 AI tools such as ChatGPT, Claude AI, CapCut, Gamma.app, and Notebook LM? After that one, I want to have a slide talking about the basics of prompt engineering, meaning explain the priming, also use the framework of PRIME, and then I would like to also talk about AI and content creation. How can these amazing business owners today use AI so that they can create more content for their brand, target the right ideal customer profile, and of course, teach them the format of negative hook, value, payoff, and
Realtor option.
call out so that they will get leads for their business. Next is I want you to give me the ideas on how AI and Gamma.app can be used for client presentation and creating of personalized service proposals. And of course, AI as a tool for these business owners to help them in terms of their repetitive administrative tasks. Discuss also the limitations, the benefits, and hallucinations. Okay, let's go. Tingnan natin kung nakuha niya ba lahat ng sinabi ko. Kung malakas ang internet connection natin. Okay. Na-catch ko na nila lahat ng sinabi ko. Right? Tama? Okay. Let's go.
Wow.
Okay. So, nag-generate na siya. Alright. Sige. Let's go some more. Okay. Alright. Yep. Okay. Looks like lahat ng tinamaan ko sa kanya, sinunod niya. Okay? Mas mabilis pa siyang gumawa ng slides. Let's say for you guys, when you create your slides or presentation, normally it will take you what? A good 2 hours, di ba? Tapos maglalagay mo pa ng pictures. Eto, less than a minute. Now, we will be using Gamma.app. So, Rap, can you please copy-paste this one? Yung turn this into a full Gamma-ready slide script. So, gone are the days that we're using PowerPoint presentation, Canva, ano pa ba yung mga ginagamit nyo? Yes, goodbye Canva na. What else? Microsoft presentation, ano pa ba yung ibang ginagamit natin? Google presentation. Okay. So, si AI, siya na din ang nag-summarize ng ilalagay natin sa slides natin. Okay? Alright? Sige, Rap, we can copy-paste and let's go to Gamma. Maybe you're asking, wait, do I need to subscribe to ChatGPT? No na. Go to Perplexity. If you go to Perplexity, you can enjoy free ChatGPT, free Claude, lahat ng klaseng GPT models. Free lang pag Perplexity. Don't use DeepSeek because generally it's from China, so there's a big possibility that they will get your data or user data. Okay, so na-copy-paste na nila. So this is, can you go to the interface of Gamma first? If you go to Gamma.app, this is what you will see. This is my favorite because this one can help you create presentations in less than 5 minutes. This can also help you create outline, documents. It can also help you create a website and social media posting. So if you have a social media manager, medyo, if you want to cut down costs, ito na po yun. Alright. The only limitation, if you're using a free version, may limitation lang siya sa number of slides. But today, I think, ilang slides tayo? 20. Okay? Sige, let's try it. Let's go to the generate. So I would like to create a presentation. So I have the option ng web page, document of social media posts, and then Rap here, pasted the things generated ng ChatGPT. Okay? And edit prompt, just click. Of course, before you put anything in your slides, you have to review. Kasi we cannot depend on AI alone. Doon pumapasok ang ating human touch. Alright, so once you copy-paste everything, this is what you will see. You have the option to rebrand it. When I say rebrand, user colors, put your logos, put videos. So I have the option to do minimal, detailed, concise, or extensive. Maybe we can do concise. And we can do, let's say I'm doing a presentation, pwedeng card by card or slide by slide. But what I will do is a free-form version. Generate 20 slides. And then later, I will be asking one participant na pwede natin i-shoot. And then, gagawin natin kayo ng isang content before kayo matapos mag-launch. So, I just need one participant. Okay, so mas mabilis pagtsikahan natin. In no time, you will see that you already have a presentation. Ang bilis, diba? So, you can try this if you want to create a proposal for your clients. Okay? If you want to do a corporate presentation, gusto nila malaman ang company details ninyo, nandito na lahat, step by step. Don't worry, once today, you will leave this room having the knowledge on how to use Notebook LM. You will have the basics of how to tweak your photo. You will also have the knowledge on how to maximize your AI. Alright, so there you go. Eto. On this side, you will see the summary. Okay. So, nag-generate siya ng 20 slides. Sige, can we run through? Let's click the present. Okay, ibig sabihin ko, in less than 10 minutes, nagbigay tayo ng command, nagbigay tayo ng ideas natin, what is it that we want to share, and ginawa na tayo ng presentation in less than 15 minutes. Cool, right? Cool ba? Yes. Remember the 4 questions kanina ng participants natin? I will create a slide specifically for those questions. Okay lang ba? Okay. Run through muna natin to. Sige, Rabi. Ano mo lang? Strong mo lang. So, ayan. Based sa mga sinabi ko, ginawa na niya ako ng presentation na gagamitin for today. No? Next. Even inserted photos. You can customize this by the way. Next. Okay. Alright, so i-explain din niya. Later I will explain to you what is LLM. We normally hear this one. And the purpose of AI models. Specifically for your event industry. Next. I can, using AI, in today's time, we can create an AI bot. Hindi mo kailangan mag-subscribe. Kasi, you can do that for free. So example, you receive an inquiry in your Facebook Messenger. You're sleeping. Di ba ayaw natin yung AI bot yung sumasagot? Kasi nakakapigon na parang personalized. We can customize AI agents into your Facebook logins, into your website, into your Instagram, na habang tulog ka, sumasagot sila na parang tao. We also discovered 2 weeks ago that we can mimic your voice. Yes. Can we do the demo? Later. Yeah. So, pwede natin gayahin ng boses ni Mom Shibens. Na habang tulog siya may sumasagot, with the verbal cues, with the pwedeng Taglish, pwedeng Kapampangan, pwedeng Bisaya. For free. Amazing. So remember those administrative assistants in your company who are not doing their job at Facebook lang, pwede nyo na silang tanggalin. No, you can actually upscale them to do something else. Okay, next. Alright, there you go. So this one is something that we created. Sige, scroll down mo lang to run through. So, ayan, explain what prompt engineering is, etc. The framework that you will be using. AI content for events, okay, etc. Yep, there you go. Even this one, how to use AI and Gamma. Simple to use. Kayang gawin later? Yes or no? Yes. No? Ulitin natin later. Okay. So even email responses, vendor and supplier coordination, your contracts. Let's say you have a template already. All you need to do is, medyo mababawasan na kayong mga ginagawa ng lawyer. When I studied in AIM, most of my classmates are actually legal practitioners from the government and also from the private sectors. Sabi ng mga lawyers sa classmate ko, naku, wala na akong gagawin. Kasi taga-check na lang kami. So yung mga ginagawa ko later before, medyo mababawasan na sila ng ginagawa. Okay? Next. Alright, limitations, etc. Okay. So this is the version of what we did in less than 10 minutes. Can we show wrap the version that I created already? Just to have a point of comparison. Okay. Alright. So this one is the more polished version because I was able to prompt this a little bit ng, what's yung mga more 5 minutes naman. So, if you want to get a copy of these slides, you no need for you to take down notes because we will be sharing it to all of you. Okay? Alright, let's quickly run through this one. Ladies and gents, AI is your ally. I'm not going to teach you about the technicalities of it, but I will help you, I will teach you on how to use this as your best friend. It's not going to replace your job, but the ones who are using AI will replace you eventually. So if you have resistance until this day, maybe this is the sign that you're looking for. Okay? So this slide is specifically created for coordinators, suppliers, creatives, venue owners, and agencies, so that you'll be more competitive in today's market. Alright, so as I mentioned a while ago, you will walk away today with, of course, a better understanding of the language. What are the 5 powerful tools? Apply prime framework. Yan po ang word na huwag mong kakalimutan today. Prime. Primer ng mukha at primer ng pintura. Now, next is, of course, lahat tayo gusto natin ng money. And if we don't have money, if we don't have sales, we won't be able to get money. And the last one is, we automate when we stay human. Reality check for 2026 in the events market. Of course, there's going to be a faster pace with every day. The clients today, the faster you reply, the polished the deck, the better. Kanina po may mga nag-present na una. Nakita ko yung mga deck nila. I could just imagine the time spent creating that deck. Right? This time, less than 10 minutes. Of course, if you are AI empowered, you'll be more competitive. And you will start to create content, okay, for your business. No need for you to hire a social media manager because you can even actually create your brand Bible. And of course, you can systemize your per department. Of course, clients don't pay for the effort because in today's time, the clients, they pay for speed, clarity, confidence, and the human part is your experience. So you get to build more rapport with your clients. What is AI? In simple terms, ang AI po ay isang helper lang that learns our patterns or our behavior. So, one of the bonus that I will be sharing to you today is I will be creating or helping create your brand Bible. So you just need to scan the QR and answer questions. And then, may puprompt na po siya ng magiging brand Bible. Next one is, imagine nyo na lang the amount of articles, books, conversations, or manuals that you need to read and understand. But AI can actually summarize that for you. Siya na yung mag-research for you. before publishing it to the target audience. Next. The LLM naman is, think of it like a giant talking storybook brain. Kaya nila ang daming nagpo-produce ng iba-ibang AI models because you can just white label it or rebrand it. Like examples, in Moms Events, you can create an event AI. Like, dance AI, gano'n. Tapos, ang content mo, Momshi, is all about helping events business owners about the tips, industry insights, connection, aggregator, pwede yun. Not for free, but you know, a lot of businesses, they charge you 5,000 pesos per month. So it's up to you on how you will repackage it. Okay, next. So, GPTs, ang GPT naman, it's the app that you open and type into. So, may iba-ibang klaseng GPT. Technically, siya yung brain. Okay? Na sumasagot sa mga input ninyo. Kaya nga, ano siya eh, garbage in, garbage out. If you will use your GPT like Google, Google din ang sagot niya. But if you will be using prompt engineering or the priming, you'll be able to get accurate results, which we will be doing shortly. So the type of AI engine, ito yung mga yon, si Claude, balik tayo. Yan, si Claude, si Gemini, si Llama. Yan. Mga GPT sila. Okay, next. Okay, in terms of relatability in your AI business, you get to reply faster, you get to package better, create content consistently, hindi lang pag may events kayo. You get to reduce admin load and train teams faster. Imagine, kung magsasalita ka na ng 30 minutes, si AI pakikilan ka niya, and then gagawin ka niya ng training material for events coordinator, do's and don'ts, proper etiquette, social media etiquette, or how to dress up on your wedding, etc. Okay, so we can create SOPs, templates, and playbooks using Notebook LM. Okay, so these are the things that will not be replaced by AI. Una sa lahat, your creative direction. You cannot teach AI to edit a certain video the same way that you do. Okay, but you can prompt. Next is emotional intelligence and your relationship with your co-suppliers today. Next is, of course, pressure in terms of this decision and the safe factor, meaning you have to select in your internal process which one will you automate nyo and which ones will gagamitin nyo ng AI. Because at the end of the day, people, your clients, choose you because of emotions and the relationship that you build. Ito, mag-i-improve lang yung presentation nyo or their experience. Okay? Remember, AI is your assistant, but you are the expert. So, as mentioned a while ago, I will be introducing 5 AI tools that you can use right now. If I were you, ito talaga ang aaralin nyo because madali lang siya. First one, ChatGPT. Faith, ano bang difference si ChatGPT at ni Claude AI? When you're talking about strategy, when you're talking about sales scripts, systems, tipong all-purpose AI workforce na gusto mong mabilis at volume, it's gonna be ChatGPT. But, if you want to do a long-form writing, script writing, cleaner structure to my emotions, it's gonna be Claude AI. Okay? Next naman, Notebook LM. Notebook LM will be your knowledge base. Halimbawa yung business mo. Let's say you've been doing events for 10 years. You already have your internal processes, your list of suppliers, frequently asked questions, list of customers. You can store it in Notebook LM. And then Notebook LM can be your AI agent. Because meron na siyang alam. Example in our company, we are upskilling our recruitment and our HR because we no longer require junior HR and junior recruitment. Because AI can actually do their work. So instead of removing their work, we try to upskill them using AI. Next is Gamma.app. So as you can see, mas mabilis pa paggawa ng slides kaysa sa paggamit ng Canva and Google Docs or Google Presentation. You can use Gamma.app for proposals. And the last one is CapCut. So you can download this in your mobile. It's a fast video editing with templates, auto captions, and hope. Ma'am Shibel, siguro kailangan na natin ng ano. Baka meron pa pwedeng i-volunteer na isushoot na. Siguro yung from the events coordination business. Tapos, let's call si Marcos to shoot kung sino yung volunteer natin. Okay. For ChatGPT, these are the functionalities that it can do. It can inquire, it can reply to your inquiries, it can draft packages, it can provide scripts. So yun yung volunteer natin. Madali lang to. 2 minutes lang nabibidyohan kayo. And then you will see later, in less than 20 minutes, you already have a video that you can use for your business. Next is timelines and checklists. Objection handling, very effective. I've been training financial wealth planners of FWD. After I trained them in terms of objection handling and sales, sobrang nag-increase yung number ng MDRT sa team ng FWD. Siguro mga 500 agents na na-train natin last November. And of course, standard operating procedure or your process knowledge. Okay? As for Code AI naman, best use for events if you want to polish your proposals with premium brand voice. If you want to curate sensitive messages, let's say client conflicts, refund, hindi mo mag-iisip ka ba ng reply? Guys, this one can do Tagalog, Bisaya, English, 177 languages. If you want to do storytelling for a concept deck, let's say you're an event stylist, naubusan ka na ng ideas, you just need to describe your call. Or if you have Zoom meeting, record the minutes of meeting, feed the minutes of meeting to ChatGPT. Siya na ang gagawa ng proposal. Next is, of course, defining drafts or your copywriting. Okay, so this is best for anything a Class A client, lalo na pag mga corporate din. Okay, next. So as mentioned a while ago, if you want to use ChatGPT, this is for brainstorming, multi-format content. It can create PDF, it can create music, it can distort an image. For Claude naman, if you want to do it long-form polish, smoother tone, coherent, brand voice, and storytelling. Okay? So kung nagmamagaling pag ChatGPT, kung gusto mo naman ng mas refine ng tone, use Claude. Next, Notebook LM. What makes it different? Notebook LM is your business brain. So, anong ginagawa niya? Pwede niyang gawin lahat ko sa business niya. So, let's do a Notebook LM na. So, we will do a quick practice. So, just go to notebooklm.google.com, click create new notebook. Pag may mga estudyante po kayo, mga nag-thesis na class ng mga anak, eto na talaga ang sagot. This will make their lives easy. Okay. Remember, Notebook LM is something like a knowledge base. Halimbawa, kailangan mo mag-review ng napakaraming resources. You need to read a book, you need to watch a video, you need to listen to a podcast. All you need to do is upload. Okay? Let's try a topic in YouTube. Ano bang controversial topic sa inyong Momshi? Sa inyong events industry? Latest trends? Okay, sige. So, type natin. Latest trends in the events industry in the Philippines for 2026. So, you go to YouTube, piliin mo yung pinakamaraming reaction and views. Alright, so, wag to, 3,000 lang. No. Okay. Sige, sa taas mo lang. Ay, sorry, ito ba? Sige. Some more. Okay, this one. Ito, let's say this is 2026. So what you need to do, click the video. Hindi kami naka-preview. Yeah. Ano ba naman yan? Kung hindi kayo maniwala, get the URL. Sa baba. There you go. Okay, copy. Nakakasunod? Yes. Go to local LF. This one. Website. Okay. Paste. Okay. Insert. Go to ChatGPT. Siya naman tanongin natin. Bagong window na. Ayan. Okay. Sige, mag-audio na lang ako. Allow, okay. As a research analyst from McKinsey, can you please help me determine the trends in the events industry in the Philippines, also in the global scale for 2026? I want this to be in PDF format. Period. Ayan, na-miss mo yung PDF. Okay. Sige, go. So imagine, we're doing a basic research, di ba? Because maybe the things that you will be getting here, pwede kang gumawa ng content, pwede kang gumawa ng blog post, pwede kang maglagay sa website mo. Okay? Copy-paste. Yes? Okay? Ayan. Pinidf na niya, di ba? Para huwag ka na mag-copy-paste. So, Rap right here will be uploading the PDF format. Download file. Ayaw niya, copy-paste mo na lang. Okay, so yan ang mga events in industry trends for 2026. Okay, copy. Alright. There you go. Okay, sige, that's fine. Yep. And then, go to your notebook LM again. Imagine niyo gumagawa kayo ng research work. You can upload, pag yata free version, 10 ang maximum, tama? 10 ang maximum per day. Okay, nasan na? Yung upload. Okay, so there you go. Remember the video? So now we add another source. Add source. Ayan, dito. Okay. There you go. So kung PDF, pwede din po kayo ng files. So let's say dalawa lang resources natin. Let's assume we have 10 resources. Okay? Ngayon, meron tayong option to create the following. You can create a slide deck. You can create a mind map, a report, a quiz. You can create an infographic. Nasa sa'yo na lang. Now, let's do it. Tama na, naka-upload yung dalawa. Okay? There you go. Okay. Pag natapos namin checklist na lahat, imagine niyo to, your business, upload niyo lahat ng mga proposals, upload niyo lahat ng mga price list, supplier list, what else, contracts. Tapos, ang gagawin nyo, hahanapin nyo na lang dito. Hindi na kayo pupunta sa Google Drive. Isu-shortcut na nyo lahat. Okay, there you go. So, let's say I wanna do a mind map. Can we do a mind map? Let's say I want to have a better understanding of what the events industry trends are for 2026. You can also do a video overview. Ayan. Let's click. Okay. So, based on the resources that we uploaded, lahat ng trends for events, thank you, wow, because of you, our partners and participants are now, at least, diba, they have basic foundation of artificial intelligence. Maybe you're wondering why. Let's play. Ay, natakpan. Okay, operational AI, are we discussing this? Yes. How about agentic AI and automation? Yes. Real-time translation, predictive analytics. Can we check the predictive analytics? Imagine saving so much time not reading or watching these videos or articles. Ako when I go to Fully Book, I take the photos of the books that I want. And then, I will upload it to Notebook LM. Tapos, i-compare ko, para kung nag-book review. Tapos, gano'n mo lang ng infographic, may books na ako sa LinkedIn. Di ano na ako, may material na ako as a thought leader. Diba? You get the point. You get to understand the uses. Okay, so, ayan. Ano yung topic na kanuha natin? Predictive analytics. So, based on all the resources gathered, siya na yung naghahanap. So, let's say this one, you will capture it. You can use this as a reference if you want to create a content. So, rapid copy-paste this one. Let's say, based from the research, gagawa ka ng content ko, Facebook Reel, 30 seconds. Go to ChatGPT. Audio na. Hi ChatGPT, my name is Ben Trama. I'm the thought leader in the events industry in the Philippines for 3 decades now. Tama ba? 2 decades. Almost 3 decades. I want to create a 30-second Facebook reel and script talking about this information to educate my audience. Please use hook, value, payoff, and call to action. Okay, stop. Alright, let's go. Okay, and then sila, pag gagawin niya, i-paste niya yung material na nakuha sa Notebook LM. Use this information, then hyphen. At the start. This one. Use this information as a reference. Okay, push. Okay, so you see the value of using these two things. So let's say ako si Momsh Events, gagawa ako ng video ko later. Event professionals in the Philippines, if you're still planning events the way you did 5 years ago, you're already behind. 2025 is about 2 things: efficiency and personalization. AI is now customizing guest experiences. Tech platforms are consolidating into one unified system. Data, especially first-party data, is becoming the new currency to prove sponsor value. So, ito yung script niya. Can you convert this into 50% English, 50% Taglish? Because the audience of your Facebook is what? Filipinos, right? 50% Taglish. Okay? There you go. So you can do this as well. So ito na. Naka-structure na siya. So maybe nagtanong kayo, bakit kaya na gawa ng 30 short reels in just 1 day, and then they post it in 1 month, and then they monetize it, and then they get sponsors? This is the answer. Are you learning so far? Yes? Very good. Okay. Let's go back to the main slide. So pahapyaw lang po ito because we have 10 more minutes. Alright, next. So now that you know how to use Notebook LM, Gamma, we presented a while ago. Again, you can do pitch decks, event programs, concept decks, and service proposals. ano yung nakita mo sa ChatGPT? Si CapCut, i-edit niya yun ng seamless, ng walang paulit-ulit at stutter. So later, we'll just get one participant from the crowd as an option. Okay, next. Now, the pinaka-basic that you need to take away from this short workshop is prompt engineering. Give better instructions so that you'll be getting a better results. So this is the framework that you will be using. Okay, as mentioned a while ago, prompt engineering is giving a clear instruction, structured to get better and usable output from your chosen AI. Okay? So this is a typical example. Halimbawa sa event, sa industry nyo, act as a premium events coordinator in the Philippines, write a warm, confident reply to a bride asking about wedding coordination packages. Ask 2 qualifying questions, keep it under 100 words. Or let's say you have a conversation. Screenshot, upload to GPT. GPT will give you 2 options on how to answer that rebuttal or report. Next. Okay, so these are the uses of priming. And, of course, this is the most important part, the prime framework. When you talk or when you give command, you should, of course, put the purpose. Why are you doing this? What outcome do you need? Is it to convert an inquiry? Is it to generate a new idea? Is it to create a video script, a storyboard? Or what is your role? Are you an events coordinator? You have to specify for how many years. Saan ka base? Sinong target market mo? Visayas, Mindanao, or Metro Manila? I, what context? Anong file? Gusto mo ba? PDF, FAQ? M, what method? What rules? Do you want to sound energetic? Do you want to sound condescending? Do you want to sound professional? Do you want 100 words? And the last one, what is the expected output? Gusto mo ba ng 1 reply, 1 message, or 1 paragraph? Lahat yan kaya gawin in less than 5 minutes. Clear so far? The prime framework? Okay. Next. So this is the example. I will be sharing my slides, don't worry. Okay? Ayan, so ito yung purpose, role, input, method, and expected output. Okay, next. Okay, for the last part, AI as your 24/7 sales machine. So of course, I want to teach you guys how to create content that sells wisely. Gusto niyo ba yun? Habang tulog tayo, we're earning money. Yes, right? Parang masarap matulog using the young living oils. Oh, and meditation. Yes, thank you to Momshi. The abundance oil and the joy oil really brought so much abundance this February. Yes, thank you. Okay, so for your 24/7 sales machine, guys, enough of the times where you are just talking about your brand. Nobody cares about your brand. Your clients, they care about what you can do to them. What value can you bring? Now, using this framework, eto po, ang magiging format natin. We attract, we convert, we propose, and we do follow-up. If you will do this, if you're a one-man team, is it possible? Yes. But if you want to do 10 events a month, buhay ka pa ba? Hindi na, di ba? So you have to start automating these things. Okay? When you create content, you have to make sure there's a hook. Ano yung hook? Yung tipong 1 to 3 seconds, mapapatigil ka, instead of scrolling up, what you will do is watch the video because you're so curious. Let's say, an example hook. Na-scam ako ni Ben Sraka. Papanoorin mo yung video, hindi. Papanoorin mo. Ang Pilipino, chismosa. Diba? Pero pag sinabi mo, these are the 10 traits that Ben Sraka is. Hindi mo papanoorin yan. Filipinos in general, they're curious. Okay, second is value. This is at the middle part of your video, meaning you're trying to give something, you're trying to give a value that will be useful. Kaya nga thought leader ka, diba? That's why when you create audience wants. Don't tell, diba? You have to show them. Kaya, di ba, people are very visual. Okay? So, if you're a bride, a corporate HR events host who wants to, let's say, book or create an event, listen to this. Masastop sila, they will listen to you. So these are the 3 E's. If you want to create content or anything or a material for your target audience, number 1, it should be educational. It can be in the form of FAQs, industry foods, infographics, budget guidelines, planning tips, diba? Yun yung mga gusto ng mga target audience nyo. Number 2, it should be entertainment. Skits, comedy, parody, with trending audio. And the last one is emotional. It should be relatable to their pain, wins, client stories, behind the scenes, personal milestones. Because people are curious by nature. The most book brands feel both expert and human. So you just need to retain all 3 consistently when you create your content. Okay? Next. So these are just some of the tips for educational content ideas. Why coordination language recipe for class A weddings or budget breakdown, where the money really goes. Okay? Next. Ito, supplier red flags. For entertainment content naman, the classic skit, yung client na Bridezilla. Ayan, maganda yan. Expectation versus reality sa mga event stylist. Client POV, you hire the coordinator so you don't accidentally become the coordinator. And the trend audio POV. If you don't like talking, you can just do or use music. Emotional content ideas, the pressure behind a perfect event. Ay, parang maraming hugot ang mga event managers. What I wish clients understood before the big day. Ito, maganda rin ko. My first event mistake and what it taught me. Why do you need to be vulnerable? When you become vulnerable to the public, they don't make fun of you, but sometimes it's the best way to win their trust. Because they feel like you are human, you're making mistakes. But what is important is how you recover. Behind the scenes, how we quietly save events. Ayan, mga behind the scenes ka na sa industry. Next. Okay, so this is the framework. So next time, or maybe I can create a content in my Facebook page regarding the things. This is your guideline if you want to put all your repository sa Notebook LM for your processes and how you can use strategy. Next. Okay, let me skip this one. Alright, so a while ago we showed you how to create proposals using Gamma. It's for free. So these are the suggested items or materials that you can create. Ayan, ito yung mga prompt na pwede nyo gamitin. I hope you study or review them later today when we send them over. Please visit our booth later so that you can scan and you can get your email addresses. I will also be offering a 90-day accelerator program for event business owners, entrepreneurs who wants to learn more about AI and business coaching. So all you need to do is go to our booth on the right side. Everything is online. If we ever meet once a month lang, no payment. What I only require from you is once you learn, please pay it forward to the community. Sana maturuan yung mga staff ninyo or mga future business owners. Because if we don't use AI now, mapag-iiwanan po tayo. And the last part, what are the limitations and ethics? So, syempre, more than anything else, mas magaling po tayo sa AI, but there will be hallucinations. So, AI can invent things, they can fake things, so you have to be mindful of that. Yun nga, may mga wrong professional advice. So, kung kayo maghihingi ng advice kung kailangan naman ng antibiotic or hindi ba. And also, contracts. So safe practices, use AI to draft, but review, keep client-specific data in private tools, build original templates, and train your team on these guardrails, not just prompting. Okay? Again, before we end, it's still the human touch. Your real competitive advantage is the relationship that you build with your clients. These AI tools are just supplementary to make things easier and faster. Okay? So action plan this week, after I shared or we shared the deck, I hope you get to review and execute. There's no harm in trying. Okay? These are the 4 systems that we can build. You just need to pick one in your business. Whether yung inquiry reply system mo ba, yung maayusin mo, yung content system mo. Ako content system kasi benta to eh. Sales agad ang ano ito. Your proposal system or your operation system. These are specifically created for your business. So you have to start small, be consistent, and mind you, next thing you know, you're winning. So, for my closing, AI isn't just a shortcut. It's the system. And the system makes you premium. So, again, if we use essential oils, if we do grounding, if we do meditation, if we have the right intention, and we know our purpose, plus babakapan pa ng tamang AI system, you will be empowered and you will be unstoppable. Okay, so again, I will be giving you copy-paste prompts that you can use and keep forever. And of course, the future belongs to those who build systems. So I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you start today. I hope you learned something really helpful. And kung sino pwede mag-participate later, we're happy to create a video for you. May script nga, babasahin mo na lang. Align mo for events business. So if you have further questions, we don't have time, but you can visit our booth and I'd be happy to help you. Thank